how to find hidden apps on your iPhone. So if you're in an iPhone and you've customized your home screen at some point, you've probably come across this where if you hold down on an app and press remove app, you have the option to remove from the home screen or delete the app. Now if you click remove from the home screen, it will disappear. So to find it, there's a couple ways. You can either swipe down and then type in the app. So Apple TV, as you can see, it's up there. Or the other way to do it is swiping right on your home screen until you get to the end of all your apps, and then just swipe one more time. So this is your app library. This will show you all the apps on your phone, and some of them are in folders like so. So Apple TV is in plain sight, as you can see, under recently added and entertainment. You can either click on it through there, or say it was in one of these folders like that. What you can do is click on the search bar and then type in Apple TV, and there it is. Then you can just press on it like that. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments if you found it helpful.